In the vast azure embrace of our planet's oceans, an intricate and fascinating ballet unfolds. Here, in the underwater realm of coral reefs, a world brimming with color and life thrives. Each organism plays its part, yet one figure stands as a pivotal character in this narrative: the shark. Sharks, often misunderstood and villainized, serve indispensable roles that help maintain the health and stability of coral reefs. Today, we delve into the hidden story of these oceanic custodians and their remarkable contribution to our world's marine ecosystems. To truly appreciate the shark's role, we must first understand the delicate yet vibrant ecosystem they inhabit. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, support approximately 25% of all known marine species, despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. These ecosystems are characterized by a dazzling array of corals, fish, and invertebrates, each depending on the other in complex, interwoven relationships. Yet the health of these reefs is continuously challenged by natural and anthropogenic pressures, making the role of sharks even more critical. Sharks are apex predators, positioned at the top of the food chain within these marine systems. By preying on the weak and diseased animals, sharks maintain balance, preventing overpopulation and ensuring the survival of healthy fish species. This direct influence on fish populations helps sustain the ecological equilibrium of coral reefs. Healthy fish populations, in turn, support the algae-eating species that keep coral surfaces pristine and capable of capturing sunlight, which is essential for their growth. Moreover, sharks contribute to the health of coral reefs through what ecologists call the ecology of fear. The mere presence of these predators causes prey species to alter their behavior and distribution within the reef. Fish tend to avoid areas where they might be vulnerable, such as open sand beds, and instead aggregate around coral structures, promoting healthier reefs by encouraging lotting and sediment turnover. By stimulating such movements, sharks inadvertently enhance nutrient cycling and distribution, benefiting the overall structure and function of the reef. It's not just the ecological role of sharks that is crucial, but also their economic value, importantly linked to healthy coral reefs. Shark tourism, which is growing in popularity worldwide, brings significant financial benefits to coastal communities. According to recent studies, a single live shark in certain regions can generate millions in revenue over its lifetime, far exceeding the one-time value of a shark caught for its fins or meat. This economic perspective reinforces the need for their conservation, illustrating how maintaining shark populations is not merely an ecological necessity, but an economic incentive as well. Nonetheless, sharks and the reefs they guard face severe threats. Overfishing, climate change, and habitat destruction have all contributed to the declines in shark populations globally. As their numbers dwindle, we witness the cascading effects on reef ecosystems, such as fishery imbalances and reef degradation. This underscores the urgent need for robust conservation efforts to protect these keystone species, safeguard biodiversity, and ensure the resilience of coral reefs against the backdrop of changing global oceans. As we bid farewell to the depths of the ocean for now, let us shift our perception of sharks from fear to fascination, recognizing them as essential guardians of the marine world. They are not just menacing figures lurking in the depths, but rather the unsung heroes of coral reefs and beyond. Remember, the health of our oceans largely rests on the fins of these ancient mariners, reminding us of the profound interconnectedness within nature.